Can a robot truly replace a human? Can other robots replace the workforce? What is your opinion? In this video, we answer these challenging questions. Thomas Frey, the founder of the Da Vinci Institute, believes that AI and robots will never replace humans, but can enhance our productivity and efficiency. In a discussion about the future of work and the role of creativity in a world dominated by AI, Frey provides a forward-looking perspective. Frey acknowledges the potential of AI to excel in certain areas, especially tasks that involve processing large amounts of data or solving complex problems quickly. However, he emphasizes that this doesn't mean AI will entirely replace humans or pose a threat to our existence. According to Frey, the relationship between AI and humans is intricate. He sees opportunities for coexistence and collaboration, envisioning a symbiotic relationship that leverages the strengths of both. AI can assist with mundane and tedious tasks, as well as analyze extensive datasets. Meanwhile, humans can contribute creativity, empathy, and nuanced understanding, qualities that machines currently lack. Overall, Frey's perspective is optimistic, suggesting that while AI and robots can enhance our capabilities, they will not replace the unique skills and qualities that humans bring to the table.